Eyeshadow for
we are
older
not in our
ladies.
20s anymore, we're not in our 30s anymore, and we cannot be doing our makeup, especially our eyeshadow, like we did when we were in our 20s. Our eye shapes have changed over time. As you can see, my eyes have dropped quite a bit, and if you're at this age, I'm sure you know this already. So I'm going to show you how to do your eyeshadow. Remember, I used to do these techniques in my 20s and my 30s as well, and I need to change things up. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. And the first thing where eyeshadow is concerned is we used to do a light eyeshadow all over the eye. I don't know if you remember that, and we used to do it like everywhere, right over the whole eye. And the problem with that is because the eye has now drooped a little bit, you just cannot do this white light shadow everywhere anymore. It's just going to make it look heavier and sagged even more. Then it just looks puffier. If I just do that, it just looks much puffier. So what you do is you go with a neutral tone over the eye. That already looks better to me. Neutral tonal of the eye, doesn't it just look lifted compared to this puffy eye right here? This eye looks more open. And now the next one was, remember, you have to go in the crease and you have to like shade in the crease. You remember this? This was part of the things I taught you. I know I did. In the crease, but now here's the problem. When you open your eye, it's gone because of the sagging. It's just gone. Instead, what you're going to do is going to go a little bit higher than the crease. And it's going to look a little bit weird, but remember, we're lifting this eye up. See how this eye looks lifted compared to this eye over here. Now the light shade. I just want to show you, take it to the inner corner. That light shade in the inner corner of the eye, just to brighten it up. You remember somebody taught us a V, and I taught you a V. Make a V somewhere at the end. This V isn't even a V anymore because my eyes drooped so much and it's just hanging over into a smudge. Just take it up. Lift it up here a little bit. A little bit of dark shade. Okay, I always used to say don't add glitter, but you can add just a little bit of shimmer. Just so you can see the dimension that it adds, and just eye looks so lifted compared to this heavy matte eye. I want to show you quickly how I add liner in comparison to how I used to add liner to my eyes, and just show you how the two eyes look different with just a little bit of liner.